had a career day, and I saw a pamphlet from Woods Hole. And on the front of this pamphlet was this yellow submarine called Alvin, the deep submersible that is still in operation today. And I thought to myself, well, that's kind of like flying, only it's under the water. And I'm not so good at taking instruction, So I thought that going into sciences where you are basically your own boss once you get to a certain level and pursue your own interests, that was more appealing to me. I am a program officer, and I manage basic and applied research in ocean sciences. I work in a code that deals exclusively with understanding ocean processes and how systems that the Navy develops operates in the real environment. It's how the man-made pieces interact with the natural environment, how you have to develop capabilities within systems that can deal with environmental variability that we know about. There is a lot of environmental variability that we don't know about, and we don't learn about until we put new systems into the field and figure out why they're working or why they're not working. My specific area of interest is called ocean optics. We seek to understand how light interacts with the ocean on all different levels for purposes of underwater imaging, for understanding how the biology of the ocean works with light, and understanding how satellites can use optical part of the spectrum to sense things in the ocean. Quite frequently, when you watch a science show, a nature show, or a discovery show, you're told what we found. And the message sent to the students is that we know everything. We solved that problem. What are the grand challenges? So much of our lifestyle today is based upon what we were able to achieve as a society in math and sciences yesterday, decades ago even. And in order for our children and our grandchildren to have a better life decades from now, we need to be continuing to produce that level of new knowledge generation today. Do you want to be the first person to know something? When you generate, when I say new knowledge, I'm not talking about knowledge that you as an individual don't have or that an engineer doesn't have. It exists out there somewhere, somebody knows it but you don't. That's not the new knowledge I'm talking about. I'm talking the knowledge that when you discover it, all of humanity understands that it's new. And that is so exciting as a scientist to be able to come home in your day and say, gosh, I just discovered something that nobody else knew. And it really doesn't even matter if it's earth-shattering or if it's going to change cultures or make lawmakers do something different. What matters is that you've added to the body of knowledge of humanity.